Hey everyone, it's Joe G from Horne Auto Center on the Deuce Clubs in Sholo, the Chevy store that saves you more. So today I'm highlighting the all-new redesigned 2019 Chevy Silverado. It's 450 pounds lighter, and you have 3.5 more inches in the back seat. One of the biggest complaints in prior models was not quite enough room in the back seat compared to some other trucks, and another complaint was no vents in the back seat. Well, Chevy listened and took care of that. So 450 pounds lighter. We have 355 horsepower in this particular truck, which is the tried, true, and tested 5.3 V8. Chevy's 5.3 liter, it's their go-to. They've had forever. It's in my truck, which is 20 years old. Everybody keeps changing all the motors over the years, and Chevy's 5.3 V8 is their tried, true, and tested. They have the most engine choices on the market. We have a 2.7 liter 4-cylinder turbo. Of course, the 5.3 V8. You have a 6.2 liter V8. A little more horsepower, a little more torque, and pulling power. And obviously, gas miles will go down a little bit with a little more power. And then brand new for 2019, they also have the 3.2 liter Duramax diesel. Hasn't quite arrived at the dealerships yet, but we're all anticipating it. So it's a diesel and a half-ton truck, brand new for Chevy. This particular truck is an LT. LT is the most popular trim level. 75% of the Silverados we sell are LTs. Just enough bells and whistles without, it doesn't have leather. You can get an LT2 that has leather, but most of the time you're gonna have to move up to an LTZ for that. So it gets up and goes pretty quick. By being 450 pounds lighter, Chevy's using some aluminum now, so aluminum hood, doors, tailgate. The truck bed is still made with rolled steel. So that's very important to people who are working or carrying heavy loads and dropping things in there. For 2019 is they have an 8-speed transmission now. There's also a 10-speed transmission available in the 6.2 liter V8. Then you can get a 6-speed transmission in the smaller motors, but an 8-speed transmission in the 5.3 liter V8 and the 10-speed transmission in the 6.2 liter. So a lot of people like those extra gears, whether it be for towing or just transition as you're driving. So the 7-inch infotainment screen is that'll come standard with the LT. You can also get an 8-inch in the LTZ or the LT2, standard with backup camera, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, depending on what phone you have, which includes Google Maps. So you'll have navigation without having to go to the Big Daddy fully loaded truck. So again, this is Joe G from Horne Auto Center on the Deuce Clubs in Sholo, highlighting the 2019 Chevy Silverado 4x4 Crew Cab LT. Come see us, like this video, please share it. We really appreciate you watching it. Like our Facebook page and come see us and say hi if you want to check out the new 2019 Silverados. Make it a great day.